Here's another cool Mustang. Mustang convertible. This is the place where they do upholstery. Ooh, another nice convertible Mustang. But this is the one I had, a 69, but it was a coupe, not a convertible. I love the 69 the best. And here's the 68. I can tell because it's got the lights. There, see, down there. That tells you it's a 68. 67 didn't have a light, but this is the upholstery place. We do upholstery here. Some other cool cars. '38. That was the 36. I'd come over here and tell them I've got something for them because I've got a 36 Oregon license plate. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. See if they have any other cool cars in there. Oh, not really nice. That one with that car stuff all over it is, I think, a Rambler or American Motors of some sort. But let's look at this Mustang one last time. As I said, I always wanted Coke bottle Kragers. And those are Kragers. Automatic. Fancier interior. The 69 and 70. The 69 had not as good of a door thing. This is on the door, so this had a tendency to pop off. Long blonde hair there, but when it was on the quarter window, it didn't pop off when you close the door. But this one would open and close. And so I took the glass and I switched out the glass from my 69 to my 70. I think the glass is the same, just different stuff in the thing, different back quarter panel windows. So I could have just left those in there. But since I had a 70, it was kind of a yellowish color, this color. Also, the 70 didn't look as good because it didn't have this this line here. This is kind of more reminiscent of the Camaro. Also had the same kind of a line for their 67 through 69. Camaro had a ledge right here. My cat could climb on it. And after 70, they made it flush with the outside, basically. And the convertible is the same, other than having a different kind of look back here. This is flat. It they simplified the metal work on the 70. The beauty of that is that it weighed less, because you see, because this being concaved in, it's actually stronger, but although it's stronger, there's more metal put into it. So April 69, that's the year I turned 5. But 69 was always my favorite. And I took the interior out of that rusted one and put the interior in my 69. So I took the windows off of the 69 of the 70. You can see here that this door is the one that has the trim, and then the 70 was in that quarter window. Lovely. I still have the Mustangs stuff in all the letters. I should have given it to the guy. He deserved it, but I was mad because my dad sold the car for me for $650, which is exactly what he owed me, what I owed him. That was fine. It's what I was owed. I owed my dad. Hello, doggy. Guard doggy. I better put this away before it gets too rained on. Sorry.